Meaning of implicit.
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 Implicit. Implicit is an adjective that describes something that is suggested or understood without being directly stated. This can refer to ideas, emotions, or actions that are not explicitly expressed, but are instead implied or hinted at through context, tone, or subtext. For example, an implicit assumption might underlie a particular argument or decision, or an implicit bias may influence how someone views a certain group of people. Overall, implicit refers to hidden or unspoken elements that are nevertheless present and influential in some way.